Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I want to thank you for seeing my presentation. Okay, I introduce myself, Dian Rahmadani, student number 18111107005, class 3 diploma for telecommunication engineering. Okay, presentation of oscillator user manual analysis. User manual oscillator. 1 Pack 1, there is a title and image to the oscillator button. We also explain the benefit of the oscillator and the uses of the oscillator. Picture 1 Pack 2 describes some of the function of the oscillator fixture and liquid then is clear and quickly understood. Table of contents. 1 Pack 3 Part 2 Table of contents is a way to use the oscillator by starting the oscillator. How to control the tool and chirp is also tutorial how to host the oscillator. Get this started. Function and show you a shuffle oscillator, basic concepts, freezes, response, shift function. 1 Packs 4 and 5 text section explain how to use an oscillator correctly and also explain the basic of using oscillator. Control and jacks. Root knob and jacks, split knob and jacks, fixed knob and jacks, scale knob and switch and jacks, cross VN knob and jack and switch, switch knob jack and switch, first knob jack and switch. Rear button, rear jacks, wrist button and jacks. 1 Pack 6 to X explain function of the oscillator button. Tutorial 1 create you our skull list mount using knobs. Tutorial 2 create your own skull in list mount using a keyboard. 1 Packs 9 to 10. In this section 3 are 2 territories. Nominally, make your own skill using knobs and make your own skill using keyboard. Detail course AUC. Scale of oscillator 1 Pack 11 to 18. Explain the concept and use it in detail so that you can find how to see the tool correctly and use record easy to understand. Electron and mechanical specification. Power consumption. Audio outputs 1 volt aux inputs, CV inputs, CANs input, user memory. 1 Pack 19 explain the electrical and mechanical specification of the oscillator in detail and easy to understand. Conclusion. Example oscillator quit that easy to understand the clear. User liquid that easy to understand. Explain clearly and specification. Explain easy to understand tutorial. Thank you very much for your great attention, ladies and gentlemen. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. User manual is technical communication document which aims to provide assistance for the use of a system, especially monitoring with electronic devices and computer hardware and software. Manuals are usually written by a technical writer, although they are sometimes done by programmers, product or project manager or other technical staff, especially in smaller companies, so it is easy to understand. How to user manual forwards. User manual of Oscilator. And here's the Oscillator user manual. Sample oscillator for MS Company and Mantis Fix. A feature X maximum in sway oscillator. Table of contents, sketching, started tutorial, features, detail, usage, firmware and calibration, electric mechanical specification, counting start, fudging and semi oscillator, basic concepts, freeze, remote, sim function, control and jacks. Tutorial at patches. Tutorial 1. Create your own scale lead mode using knobs. Creating your AC with ensemble oscillator. The process creating in scale learning till its ways do it. Tutorial 2. Create your own scale lead mode using keyboard. Detail comes in music. Turn speed up, button, roots, speed, pitch, turning speed up, turning root up, turning pitch up, scale cubes, octave scale group, free scale group, range of acceptance, shift factor, crossfading, oscillator, freeze mode, stereo mode, firmware calibration, factory reset, electrical, mechanical specification. Thank you. Is usi manual oscillator.